树本身是有颜色的，而且很实体的部分，请问他们是不是做什么特别的处理这一块？
Interpreter, did you get the question?
Did you use the right channel? It should be channel 2.
Channel 1.
It should be channel 2.
Okay.
Yes.
No, sorry. You mean the trees that you see here?
树一般点云没有办法这样子做的方式，他们是不是又结合了后处理的方式做整合，还是什么样的方式处理？
No, actually, there is no post-productions because this comes from laser scanning. So everything that exists in the reality is captured by the laser scanning, and so this model is made of infinite number of points. And
这就是说，它这些建筑模型是用就是我们这种雷达点云侦测的结果。可是那棵树上面的这些细微的树叶，因为点云是黑色的嘛，那它的树都已经到像绿色都已经呈现真实状态，那是不是现实的？一般我们就是用3D 塑模，用点云的方式去做整合。像刚刚这个热感是照片是拍的贴上去的，可是这棵树本身已经它用在 model 里面是一个3D 的东西。 那因为照片是平面的，怎么去跟它这个点云做结合？
Okay, so in the same time that the laser scanning survey the territory, there is a camera that take pictures, and they are georeferenced. So what we do is we color each single point with the color coming from the pictures.
Complicated technology basically uses laser scanning along with the pictures taken from the camera.
Yeah,
that's right. So you basically incorporate both the information together to get the data for the tree, because the tree using laser scanning you only get the point, but no colors.
No, we merge the camera colors with the points. And also, if you are interested, this part, the roof, comes from aerial scanning, because from the ground you can't reach the roof. The roof has been a laser scanning made from airplane and combined with the laser scanner made from the ground.
I see. 的确是有一些differences. Are there any other questions? Yeah, please, 请。
我对那个刚才一开始的那个，就是那个萤幕啊，有可以放牌子，然后很多建筑物会做比对的这个部分，就是相当的感到好奇，就是说，他目前建制的是他们威尼斯那边，或者是他拿到的个案的有建立资料库的，可以去做比对吗？他目前累计的资料大概有多多？然后第二个问题是他刚有 demo 他如何带领学生去做一个创作的 design， 他的那个建筑物那个部分可以再讲详细一点，他如何引导学生，然后去做这个部分的延伸？谢谢。
Okay, can you repeat, sorry, the questions, the final questions? Mhm. Okay, so for these questions, we in our database we have in this case 100 projects, and because we show only the projects that are new in Venice. So the idea was to give users the possibility to understand how Venice will change during next year. And regarding the second questions, students increase their capabilities using this system. Your question is that if we had the possibility to measure if students increase using system, or I didn't get the second question.
Because you mentioned you just show one drawing, and every student take one, then they got the idea to link to the reality, the real architecture, then they create a new one. But from the drawings, and you got another new idea from the database, and the student creates a new one. And because how do you inspire the students to combine those inspirational ideas together, then create a new building or architecture? Thank you.
So one point before this. Usually, students of architecture, when they design buildings, comes to the teachers and says, "Okay, this is my buildings, and I use some references to other projects. For example, this." They come with the book, and you ask students why you use these projects, or for example, Renzo Piano, and they say you because I like it. And this is the answer that the teacher of architecture don't want to listen, because if you use a reference, you have to say, I use this reference because, and explain the reasons. So we use this way or do our architectural teachings, so force the students to think with an idea. So for this reason, we start with a paint, and then we say, okay, you have to find some main points of your project, some ideas. In this case,